Heating up on a medium-high heat. And first thing is I'll get a little bit of oil in the pan, and I'll get my quinoa. So this has already been cooked. Quinoa in a little bit, and I've got 2 small red chillies that I've finely sliced. They can go in. Start cooking, get that lovely chilli flavour all through, and then when it starts to sizzle, we can get our egg in. So I've got 3 whole eggs here that I've just beaten kind of lightly, so we'll just grab them in the pan. And the trick with this is just keep moving it around the pan. The egg is going to cook quite quickly, and you want to have it so that the eggs like kind of coating all the grains of quinoa. And this works really well with cooked rice as well, for something a bit more traditional. So you just want to turn the heat down to medium now, and just keep it moving around the pan. And of course, making sure you're scraping up the bottom so that you don't get heaps of egg cooking on the bottom and sticking. And as the egg starts to cook, you'll start to see curds of egg in the quinoa, but I can still see kind of snotty runny bits, which we don't like. So, okay, so that's probably been 2 minutes that we've been stirring, and I'm starting to look dry, like I can't see any gooey bits of egg, and there's some lovely curds of egg in with our quinoa. So I'll get it off the heat, and then we'll finish off our dish. So just to season, I've got some soy sauce, very traditional, so just 2 tablespoons of soy. And if you like, you can serve extra soy at the table for people to add their own if they feel the need for more seasoning. So just give that a good mix in, and that'll help scrape the bits of any bits of egg that have stuck to the bottom of your pan, like mine has. Lovely. And then just going to finish off, it's got 2 large green onions, or they're also known as shallots or spring onions, that I've just sliced. That's just going to add some crunch and oniony goodness. And our egg fried quinoa is good to serve.